Meet the Typhon Stomp 509, small in size, giant in power. The Typhon Stomp 509 skid steer loader is compact, powerful, and ready to tackle any job with ease. At just 1.4 tons, the Stomp 509 slips through narrow paths, doorways, and low ceilings, perfect for tight job sites. 25 HP Kubota D1105 diesel engine, EPA certified power, powered by a 3-cylinder Kubota D1105 engine. This machine delivers 25 horsepower of reliable performance and efficiency. Strong lifts, smooth moves, with a lifting height of 3,050 millimeters and a bucket width of 1,010 millimeters. It's built for heavy lifting and quick material handling. Zero-turn capability, 360-degree precision. The Stomp 509 turns within its own length, giving you total control even in the tightest spaces. Comfort meets control. A widened 700-millimeter cabin and pilot control system give you comfort and precision while you work. One machine, many jobs. From digging and grading to landscaping and snow removal, the Stomp 509 handles it all with interchangeable attachments. Perfect for construction, roadwork, airports, and landscaping. Whether it's clearing debris, maintaining roads, or shaping landscapes, the Stomp is your go-to solution. Built tough, built to last. With wear-resistant anti-slip tires and a sturdy frame, it's made for performance and durability. Typhon Stomp 509. Compact power redefined. Small but mighty. Fast, efficient, and reliable. The Typhon Stomp 509 is ready to take on your toughest jobs.